कृष्ण हरे 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 राम राम हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे राम राम हरे
जय श्री श्री गौर भक्त वृंदा। जय श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिव सरी गौर भक्त वृंदा। जय श्री कृष्णा चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिव सरी गौर भक्त वृंदा। हे कृष्णा करुणा सिंधु दीन बंधो जगतपते गोपेश गोपी कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कंचन गौरंगी राधे वृंदानेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। बोलो श्री राधे गोलोकानंद भगवान की जय।
जय जय श्री कृष्ण।
जय श्री कृष्ण। कृष्णा एवरीवन। हरे कृष्णा निशा।
हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्ण सर।
बोलो हरे कृष्णा।
हरे कृष्ण।
श्री मिस्टर शिवम।
Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा।
हैप्पी बर्थडे शिवम।
Thank you.
ओ शिवम हैप्पी बर्थडे। आज नाम भी शिव इसीलिए तो रखा गया है। वाह।
Thank you.
Happy birthday, Shivam. Happy
Happy birthday.
Shivratri to everyone.
It is so nice.
Happy Shivratri.
That's really cool. Cool. So I think आज थोड़ा लेट चल रहा है अपन लोग but so we are on अध्याय 7th and श्लोक 27th is what we read yesterday. And इसमें लॉर्ड ब्रह्मा जी संक्षेप में नारद मुनि को सब अवतारों के बारे में बता रहे हैं. एंड नाउ वी आर एट लॉर्ड कृष्णा's अवतार. Yeah. So we read the text, Sumit.
यद्वे व्रजे व्रजा पशून् विशोय पीतान् फलां स जीव्या हिदानुग्रहद दृष्टिवृष्ट तच्छेद्रे तिवीश्वरी वीर्य विलोलो जिन् मुच्चाटतयुष दुरंगम विहरन् निदानायम्. Then also, when the cowherd boys and their animals drank the poised water of river Yamuna, and after the Lord, in his childhood, revived them by his merciful glance, just to purify the water of the river Yamuna, he jumped into as if playing and chastised the venomous Kalia snake, which was lurking there, its tongue emitting waves of poison. Who can perform such Herculean task but the Supreme Lord. Hare Krishna.
Alright, so कालिया नाग की स्टोरी तो अपने को सबको पता है.
Yeah.
So ब्रह्मा जी बता रहे हैं. तरुण.
तत्कर्मा दिव्यम इवायम निश्चयम नाम दव्यग्निना सुचिवने परिदेहमाने उन्नेष्याति व्रजमतो व्यस्थितानकालं नेत्रे विद्याप्य सबलोस्निगम्य वीर्यम्. On the very night of the day of the chastisement of the Kaliya snake, when the inhabitants of Rajabhumi were sleeping carefully, there was a forest fire ablaze due to dry leaves, and it appeared that all the inhabitants were sure to meet their death. But the Lord, along with Balram, saved them simply by closing his eyes. Such are the superhuman activities of the Lord. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, right? So Lord Krishna, even though small, all these activities. Shivam, can you just read those lines?
Whoever knows the superhuman activities of the Lord, due to their very transcendental nature, becomes eligible to enter the kingdom of Krishna, and as such, after quitting this present material body, the knower of the transcendental activities of the Lord goes back home, back to Godhead. Hare Krishna.
Nisha?
गृहणित यद यदु यदुपबंध ममुष्य माता शुल्बम सुतस्य न तु तद्मुष्यमाति यज्रुम भतोस्य वदने भुवनानि गोपी संवृक्ष्य शंखकीतमनः प्रतिबोधितासित. When the cowherd women Krishna foster mother Yashoda was trying to tie the hands of her son with ropes, she found the rope to be always insufficient in length, and when she finally gave up, Lord Krishna by and by opened his mouth, wherein the mother found all the universes situated. Seeing this, she was doubtful in her mind, but she was convinced in a different manner of the mystic nature of her son. Hare Krishna.
हरे कृष्णा. ये भी अपने को पता है, माँ यशोदा को जब भगवान कृष्ण पूरा स्वरूप दिखाते हैं, राइट, वदने भुवन, राइट, होल ब्रह्मांड यशोदा मैया को दिखाते हैं. तो दिस इज व्हाट इज बीइंग डिस्क्राइब्ड हियर. रवि?
नंदन च मोक्ष्यति भवाद्वरुणस्य पाशात् गोपान् बिलेषु विहितान् मनुसुमानां च अन्यान् पितंश्च निशीशयन्मिति शृणुमेत् लोकं विकुण्ठमनुपनेष्यन्ति गोकुलं स्म. Lord Krishna saved his foster father Nanda Maharaj from the fear of demigod Varuna and released the cowherd boys from the caves of the mountain, for they were placed there by the son of Maya. Also to the inhabitants of the Vrindavan, who were busy working during daytime and sleeping soundly at the night because of their hard labor in the day. Lord Krishna awarded promotions to the highest planet in the spiritual sky. All these acts are transcendental and certainly prove without any doubt his Godhood. Hare Krishna.
कृष्ण. तो ब्रह्मा जी कंटिन्यूअसली बता रहे हैं ऋषि नारद को कि लॉर्ड श्री कृष्णा इज द सुप्रीम लॉर्ड एंड बिकॉज ऑफ ऑल दीज एक्टिविटीज, राइट. लेट्स जस्ट रीड दिस मच, शिवा.
Everything done by them was spiritualized because everything was so dovetailed in their relationship with Lord Sri Krishna. The central point of activities was Krishna, and as such, the so-called activities in the material world was saturated with spiritual potency. This is the advantage of the way of Bhakti Yoga. One should discharge one's duty on Lord Krishna behalf, and all one's actions will be saturated with Krishna thought, the highest pattern of trance in spiritual realization. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna, right? So the reason we read this is because what it's saying is that the central point of activity, if it's Krishna, right, then you can actually feel the spiritual potency right in the material world, right? So in the material world, if you really want to feel the spiritual potency, which is the internal potency of Lord Sri Krishna, then Bhakti Yoga is the best, right? And if you constantly devote to Lord Sri Krishna, you can get the feeling of that, right? Ajay?
गोपैर मखे प्रतिहिते व्रज विप्लवाय देवे देवे भिवर्षति पशून कृपना रिरक्षु धतोच्छली नध्रिम सप्त दिनानि सप्त वर्षो मही ध्रम न धैकरे सलीलम. When the cowherd men of Vrindavan, under instruction of Krishna, stopped offering sacrifice to the heavenly king Indra, the whole tract of land known as Vraj was threatened with being washed away by constant heavy rains for 7 days. Lord Krishna, out of his causeless mercy upon the inhabitants of Vraj, held up the hill known as Govardhan with one hand only. Although he was the only 7 years old, he did this to protect the animals from the onslaught of water. Hare Krishna.
Krishna, right? So Govardhan की story अपने को सबको पता है, right? But he picked it up with one hand, in one finger, right? When he was only 7 years old, saying, right? Sapta dinani, and for 7 days, Sapta Varso, right? He was only 7 years old, and for 7 days, holding on that is definitely proves about the Lord Krishna's thing. Yeah. And Lord Brahmaji basically is proving that he was never like an ordinary man, which, you know, a lot of people just describe that like a normal rishi, normal sant, right? So he was actually what Lord Brahmaji is telling is he was actually a supreme Lord. Oh, you can see the screen, right?
Yes, we can see it.
Sachin?
ये च प्रलंब खरदर्दु करये शरिष्ट मल्ले भकंसयावनः कपि पौंड काद्याः अन्ये च शाल्व कुजबलव लदन्तवक्र सप्तोक्ष शंबरा विदुर थरु किम मुख्या ये वा वृधे समिति शालीन अत्ता चापाः काम्बोज मत्स्य कुरुस्यु सृज य कैकयाध्या यास्यन्त्यदर्शनं मलं बलपार्थ भीम व्याजा व्ययेन हरिणा निलयम तदीयम्. All demonic personalities like Pralamba, Dhenuka, Baka, Keshi, Arishta, Chanura, Mustika, Kuvala, Yapida, elephant, Kamsa, Yavana, Narakasura, Pondraka, great marshals like Shalva, Dvida monkey, and Balvala, Dantavakra, the 7 bulls, Shambhara, Viduratha, and Rukmi, as also great warriors like Kambhoja, Matsya, Kuru, Shrujaya, and Kekaya, would all fight vigorously either with the Lord Hari directly or with him under his names of Baladeva, Arjuna, Bhima, etc. And the demons thus being killed would attain either the impersonal Brahma Jyoti or his personal abode in the Vaikuntha planet. Hare Krishna.
So what it's saying is that such is the benefit of those who played with the Lord amicably. One can imagine what would be the position of those who devotedly served the Lord in transcendental relationship with him. So even though people who are demons, right, they attain the impersonal Brahma Jyoti, so the people who are dedicated to Lord Sri Krishna, they will definitely, get to the Vaikuntha planets, is what this is saying. Hare Krishna, Rasiksham Prabhu.
हरे कृष्णा.
और पढ़ेंगे आप?
हाँ. कालेन मिलिधियाम वृष्य निराम स्तोकायुषाम स्वनिगमो वत्बात दूरपारः आविर्हित स्वत्वनुयुगम सहि सत्यावत्याम वेद ध्रुवम वीटपशो विभिजिष्यति स्म. The Lord himself in his incarnation as the son of Satyavati Vyasadeva. We'll consider his compilation on the Vedic literature to be very difficult for the less intelligent persons with short life, and thus he will divide the theory of Vedic knowledge into different branches according to the circumstances of the particular age.
Hare Krishna. What he is saying is, as we all know, Vyasdev ji manifested Srimad Bhagavatam for all the people in Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga with short life. Why short life? Expectancy of life in Kali Yuga is what? 100 years, right? And then has been 1,000, 10,000, and 100,000 in the other yugas. So for that, Vyasdev ji designed the Srimad Bhagavatam. And of course, we know Vyasdev ji is the son of Satyavati. And do you remember the father of Vyasdev ji? Parashar Muni, right? Parashar Muni and Satyavati Mata. So we are going to pause here because it's a Shivratri, and happy Shivratri to everyone. Happy Mahashivratri to everyone. Prabhu ji, आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे? And then we will see. We have a live darshan of Mahakal, so we'll see that for a few minutes, and then you see the highest shivling in the world. That Pratna live. So whatever has happened live today, we are going to see that. Yeah. So let us. शिक्षा प्रभु जी, आप कुछ बोल रहे थे?
नहीं, दिखाइए.
ठीक है. तो hopefully everyone had a nice Shivratri today. And see.
Raaya Maheshwaraya Nagendraharaya Trilochanaya Bhasmangaraya Maheshwaraya Nityaya Shuddhaya Digambaraya Tasmai Nakaraya Namah Shivaya Nityaya Shuddhaya Digambaraya Tasmai Nakaraya Namah Shivaya Mandakini Salila Chandan Charchitaya Nandishwara Pramatanath Maheshwaraya Mandakini Salila Chandan Charchitaya Nandishwara Pramatanath Maheshwaraya Mandar Pushpa Supujitaya Tasmai Makaraya Namah Shivaya Mandar Pushpa Bahu Pushpa Supujitaya Tasmai Makaraya Namah Shivaya. ईश्वर प्रमथनाथ महेश्वराय मंदार पुष्प बहु पुष्प सुपूजिताय तस्मै मकाराय नमः शिवाय मंदार पुष्प बहु पुष्प सुपूजिताय तस्मै मकाराय नमः शिवाय.
So there was a Mahakal Darshan directly from Ujjain, and now we are going to see, Sadguru, as you know, he has the largest Shivling in the world. So we are going to see that prayer, very famous prayer which happens there. And so we are going to see that now sometime. Yeah. And the Sadguru, he has to go on the stairs to get to the Shivling.
यज्ञकर्म समुद्भवः आपो अद्यान्वचारिषं रसेना समगस्महि पयस्वानग्नागहि तमासा सृजवर्चसा अन्नाद्भवन्ति भूतानि पर्जन्यधन्यसम्भवः यज्ञाद्भवति पर्जन्यो यज्ञकर्म समुद्भवः आपो अद्यान्वचारिषं रसेना समगस्महि पयस्वानग्नागहि तमांसा सृजवर्चसा अन्नाद्भवन्ति भूतानि पर्जन्यधन्यसम्भवः यज्ञाद्भवति पर्जन्यो यज्ञकर्म समुद्भवः आपो अद्यान्वचारिषं रसेना समगस्महि पयस्वानग्नागहि तमांसा सृजवर्चसा अन्नाद्भवन्ति भूतानि पर्जन्यधन्यसम्भवः यज्ञाद्भवति पर्जन्यो यज्ञकर्म समुद्भवः आपो अद्यान्वचारिषं रसेना समगस्महि पयस्वानग्नागहि तमांसा सृजवर्चसा अन्नाद्भवन्ति भूतानि पर्जन्यधन्यसम्भवः यज्ञाद्भवति पर्जन्यो यज्ञकर्म समुद्भवः आपो अद्यान्वचारिषं रसेना समगस्महि पयस्वानग्नागहि तमांसा सृजवर्चसा. अग्निं धूतं वृणीमहे होतरं विश्ववेदसम् अस्य यज्ञस्य सुक्रतुम्
अग्निमग्निहवीमभिः सदा हवन्त विश्पतिं हव्यवाहं पुरप्रियम्
अग्निभूतं वृणीमहे होतरं विश्ववेदसम् अस्य यज्ञस्य सुक्रतुम्
अग्निमग्निहवीमभिः सदा हवन्त विश्पतिं हव्यवाहं पुरप्रियम्
अग्निं धूतं वृणीमहे होतरं विश्ववेदसम् अस्य यज्ञस्य सुक्रतुम्
अग्निमग्निहवीमभिः सदा हवन्त विश्पतिं हव्यवाहं पुरप्रियम्
अग्निं धूतं वृणीमहे होतरं विश्ववेदसम् अस्य यज्ञस्य सुक्रतुम्
अग्निमग्निहवीमभिः सदा हवन्त विश्पतिं हव्यवाहं पुरप्रियम्
अग्निं धूतं वृणीमहे होतरं विश्ववेदसम् अस्य यज्ञस्य सुक्रतुम्
अग्निमग्निहवीमभिः सदा हवन्त विश्पतिं बृहस्पतिं हव्यवाहं पुरप्रियम्
अग्निधूतं वृणीमहे होतरं विश्ववेदसम् अस्य यज्ञस्य सुक्रतुम्
अग्निमग्निहवीमभिः सदा हवन्त विश्वतिं हव्यवाहं पुरप्रियम् यता वायुं समाश्रित्य वर्तन्ते सर्वजन्तवः तथा गृहस्थमाश्रित्य वर्तन्ते सर्व आश्रमः वायो शुक्रो अयामिते मध्वो अग्रं दिवेष्टिषु आयाहि सोमपीतये स्वार्हो देवनियुत्वता यथा वायुं समाश्रित्य वर्तन्ते सर्वजन्तवः तथा गृहस्थमाश्रित्य वर्तन्ते सर्व आश्रमः वायो शुक्रो अयामिते मध्वो अग्रं दिवेष्टिषु आयाहि सोमपीतये स्वार्हो देवनियुत्वता यथा वायुं समाश्रित्य वर्तन्ते सर्वजन्तवः तथा गृहस्थमाश्रित्य वर्तन्ते सर्व आश्रमः वायो शुक्रो अयामिते मध्वो अग्रं दिवेष्टिषु आयाहि सोमपीतये स्वार्हो देवनियुत्वता यथा वायुं समाश्रित्य वर्तन्ते सर्वजन्तवः तथा गृहस्थमाश्रित्य वर्तन्ते सर्व आश्रमः.
All right, so very nice, yeah. So that's from Sadhguru. They do like it's a long, like from 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. on Shivratri. And as you can see, it's the largest Shivling. You have to go on the stairs and then do all the puja and thing. Very nice. So all right, it's Thursday. Everyone have a nice long weekend. And we'll
Thank
see
you, you
back
too.
on Monday. And hopefully everyone had a
Take
nice
care, everyone.
Shivratri. Rashiksham Prabhuji, take care. So,